Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the Podcast English channel. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us again. We love spending time with you, helping you learn English, and growing together every single episode.
Today we have such a beautiful and inspiring topic. I think a lot of you are going to love it.
Yes, today's topic is Dream Big, how English can change your life.
Dreaming big is important. It gives us energy. It gives us direction. It gives us purpose. And when you combine big dreams with English, amazing things can happen.
You see, English is not just a school subject. It's not just grammar, vocabulary, and tests. English is a tool that can open doors, create opportunities, and connect you with the world.
And today, we're going to talk about that. How English, this beautiful global language, can truly change your life if you dream big and keep going.
So, let's start with a simple idea. English connects you to people. More than 1.5 billion people learn English. That means when you speak English, you can talk to almost anyone in the world.
Exactly. English gives you access to new jobs, new friends, new travel opportunities, new ideas, new information, and even new dreams. Your world becomes bigger.
And when your world becomes bigger, your dreams become bigger too.
When I was a teenager, I was afraid to speak English. I made mistakes, I forgot words, I felt shy. But I always had a dream. My dream was to travel, to meet new people, and to learn about other cultures. But there was a problem. I couldn't do any of that without English. So every day, I practiced a little, not a lot, just a little. 10 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of listening, talking to myself in the mirror, watching movies with subtitles. Slowly, my English grew, and slowly, my confidence grew. And then one day, I finally traveled abroad. I made friends from 5 different countries using English. That moment changed my life.
I love that story, and I think many listeners feel the same. Learning a little every day can create big results. For me, English changed my career. When I was younger, I didn't know what job I wanted. But I did know something. Every good opportunity required English. So I practiced. I talked to people online. I read English websites. I watched YouTube videos every day. And because I spoke English, I could apply for jobs in international companies. Because I spoke English, I could work with people from many countries. Because I spoke English, I could live my dream life.
See? English doesn't just help you communicate. It helps you grow. All right, let's talk about the real heart of today's episode. How exactly can English change your life?
We broke it into 5 simple, clear ideas.
Jobs, travel, scholarships, online courses, English makes everything easier.
Companies love people who can speak English. It shows confidence. It shows communication skills. It shows you can work globally.
Even if you don't travel, English brings the world to you.
When you speak English, you can talk to almost anyone in the world.
You can join international communities, study groups, or online clubs. Suddenly, your life becomes more exciting.
Most information on YouTube, Google, and online courses is in English.
If you know English, you can learn anything. Business, cooking, technology, personal growth, motivation, skills, hobbies.
Learning English equals learning everything.
Every time you speak English, even a little, you grow stronger.
It's like a muscle. the more you use it, the more powerful it becomes.
And suddenly you start thinking, wow, I can do this. I can really improve. I can really change. When you learn English, your dreams become more possible.
You can imagine a new future, a future with more freedom, more choices, and more opportunities.
Now we want to hear from you. Here are some questions you can answer in the comments. 1. What is your big dream? 2. How can English help you reach that dream? 3. What small English habit will you start today?
We love reading your comments. Your stories inspire us so much.
Let's talk about dreams for a moment. Big dreams and small dreams. Some people say, I just want a better job. I just want to speak English a little. But sometimes just a little is not enough. To feel excited, when you dream big, something inside you wakes up. A big dream makes you move. A big dream makes you study. A big dream makes you grow. A small dream is okay, but a big dream gives you energy.
Yes, but here's the funny part. Big dreams can also feel scary. When you say, I want to work abroad. I want to be confident in English. I want to speak fluently. I want to change my life. Your brain sometimes says, no, 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 too big, too difficult. But that fear is normal. Fear means you're growing. Fear means you're going outside your comfort zone. Fear means something powerful is waiting for you.
When you learn English, your imagination grows. You can watch videos about success, business, art, science, travel, confidence, motivation, money, jobs, communication, history, psychology, relationships, and all of that enters your mind in English. You don't just learn vocabulary, you learn new possibilities.
Yes, this is so important. When you understand English, you can follow inspiring people from around the world, people who motivate you, teach you, and share their journey. You can watch TED Talks. You can follow creators. You can listen to leaders. You can learn from successful people. And suddenly, you see that success is not magic. Success is habits. Success is effort. Success is learning. Success is practice. And English gives you these teachers for free.
Take a notebook and write your dream life in English. Just simple sentences. I want to travel to Japan. I want to speak English with confidence. I want a better job. I want to study abroad. Writing in English makes the dream stronger. It feels real.
And when a dream feels real, your brain starts to work for it automatically. English is like air. The more you breathe it, the more natural it becomes. Every day, just a little English. 5 minutes of listening, 10 minutes of reading, one new vocabulary, one small conversation, one English thought in your mind. Small daily contact equals big long-term progress.
Exactly. English should feel like a friend, not a school subject. Many learners forget this. They say, oh, I only learned 10 words. Oh, I only listened for 5 minutes. Oh, I only finished one chapter. But guess what? Small successes build big success.
Yes, when a baby learns to walk, nobody says, you only took one step. No, people celebrate the step. Celebrate your steps too. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate your effort. That keeps your dream alive. Here are more questions for our listeners. What is one big dream you have for your future? Which country would you like to visit using English? Who inspires you in your English journey? What small action will you do today to move closer to your dream?
We can't wait to read your answers. Your stories help other learners feel strong and confident. Sometimes people say, my dreams are too big. But no dream is too big for you. You deserve a better life, a better job, more confidence, more opportunities, more success. more freedom, more happiness. Learning English is part of that journey.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Your dream is waiting for you.
If you have a dream, even a small dream, don't let it die. Protect it, grow it, feed it with small actions every day.
Remember this. A big dream starts with small steps. English is one of those steps.
And when you learn English, you're not just learning a language, you're building a future.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. 1. English creates new opportunities. 2. English helps you make friends around the world. 3. English makes learning easier. 4. English builds confidence. 5. English helps you dream bigger.
And your dream matters. It really does. Thank you so much for listening. We are so proud of you and we believe in you.
Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and keep learning with us every week.
This is Emily.
And this is Alex.
See you next time on the Podcast English channel.